back to JC Motive Garage. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of these upcoming videos on the Datsun RSX or the Jeep, what we're going to be doing to them. Make sure you subscribe, like our channel. You can follow us on Facebook at JC Motive Garage. Like our page so you'll know what's going on. You kind of get little hints of little videos that I'm gonna be posting soon, you know, video coming soon and all that kind of stuff, and you can give me feedback. So go over to Facebook, Instagram, and check those out. But today's video, I wanted to do a little walk around on the 08 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited that I bought about 6 months ago, and what I did to it and what needs to be done. So let's check it out. So this is the 2008 Jeep Wrangler JKU that I bought about 6 months ago. I've done a little work to it. I put new spark plugs in it, new wires. I had to put a new top on it. It's a Smittybilt premium top. I've had to do the steering linkage, upper and lower steering linkage on it, because the steering wheel knocked back and forth when I first got it. It had a little rough idle, so I had to change the plugs, wires. You can see it's got 141,000 miles. I bought it with 135,000, so I drive this every other week. I've put a double din radio in it with a backup camera, and I've done a little work to this since I bought it. I've had to rewire an amplifier. Right up here is the premium top. It comes with the zipper pockets so you can store stuff when the top is folded back. I eventually want to rhino line the fenders because it's got a little bit of fading right there and on the other side. So we'll get that done in an upcoming video. So make sure you hit that bell and subscribe so you don't miss anything that we're going to be doing to the Jeep here soon. But this is a 3.8 liter V6 that comes in the 2008. I've replaced the wires. The spark plugs are really bad. They were all factory wires, factory plugs, and I'll show you in a minute the picture of what those spark plugs look like when I first took them out. But I've done that. I've done that to it, and I'll show you a little bit of the back here. It's pretty spacious. I've hooked up a amplifier to it. New top, so it's got a brand new top on it. I replaced both the speakers in the sound bar. I've had to replace some of the weather stripping because it was leaking, and it's not leaking right now, knock on wood. So it's got tinted windows. I got the hitch, and I got a rear view camera. Eventually I want to move the rear view camera to here, so I'm gonna get an adapter that goes out the back, spare tire, so you can have the rear view camera not there at the license plate, but there, so you actually move the bracket, and there's a delete piece that you can buy to cover up the hole on that. So that's pretty much my Jeep that I bought. I've had to replace the clock spring in it because after I bought it, the airbag light was on and the traction control light was on, and there was a little bit clicking in the driver's in the steering wheel. So I've had to get that done. I've had to replace both the steering linkage, and I'll show you real quick. I forgot to show you, but I replaced both the steering linkage, both upper, lower steering linkage right there. And I've had to put a drag link, no drag link on it, and that's right there. So I put a new drag link on it, and I had to put a new ball joint on it there, and I had to get the alignment done a couple times. So there's just a little bit of the underside of the Jeep. So there's a couple things that we want to do to it. So yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit to the Jeep. Transmission flush. The rear diff needs to be cleaned out, and new gasket and new fluid in it. So we're going to be doing that also on the channel. We're going to be doing rattle line the fenders here soon, so we're going to be doing that. And that's pretty much it about the Jeep. About my Jeep that I bought about 6 months ago, and what I've done to it, what needs to be done, kind of what we're looking at doing on the channel. So if you're new to the channel, like I said, make sure you check out the other videos that I have, a 59 Thunderbird, and I have another barn finds that I have that I want to go take videos of. So those are going to be coming soon. We want to get some t-shirts made. We're in the process of getting our t-shirts made here soon, so you want to check those out. When they come available, I will let you know. Check out our Facebook page, because that's where they're going to be posted first on there, so you don't miss it. And they're probably going to be sold out pretty quickly. We're only going to get a few in just to see how it goes, how they sell, and then as we're getting orders and stuff like that, we will put out more, you know, coffee mugs and all that kind of stuff. But we're going to start out with t-shirts first. So if you don't want to miss anything, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified of future videos coming out. And if you haven't checked out the giveaway that we're doing on the channel, make sure you check that out. Make sure you subscribe and hit that comment below so you can enter it in the raffle. And the official rules are posted below. So the contest ends December 31st. 2019, and we'll be picking a winner from the comments on January 1st, 2020. So we're gonna have some more barn finds. We're gonna be working on the 260Z here soon, so we're gonna be posting videos on that. So don't miss it. It's gonna be cool. So, and we'll see you next time on JC Motive Garage. Have a blessed day.